How do we use the Quiet Lab mouthpiece? Step 1. We must identify the top and bottom. Look closely for the up and down marks on the device. This is important because the mouthpiece only works one way. Step 2. Set your starting advancement. Your mouthpiece arrives in a neutral position. That means there's no forward jaw movement yet, and that's exactly where you want to start. Once you're comfortable wearing it, you can slowly adjust the lower tray forward in small steps to improve results. Step 3. Insert and check the fit. Place both trays in your mouth and close gently. It should feel snug, not tight. You can lightly adjust or bend it so it fits your mouth shape better. Step 4. Start slowly. Feeling awkward at first is totally normal. On day 1, wear it for 1 to 2 hours while relaxing. After a few nights, move to full night use. Early comfort in the first 2 to 3 nights really matters, so take your time and stay on lower settings at first. And finally, step 5. Remember to clean it. After each use, rinse with warm water. Brush gently with non abrasive toothpaste or use the ultrasonic cleaner. Then air dry before storing. Make it part of your morning routine. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.